I'm going to show you the most simple JKC eye tutorial. Here we have it. This is great for beginners, someone who's just learning makeup, or you just like super natural, super simple. Shorelines for the lid, macchiato for the crease. Step 1 is to use the shoreline on your lid with the lid brush. Keep in mind this has a tiny bit of shimmer to it. I mean, so minimal you probably won't even notice. But things with shimmer are only allowed to go on your eyelid. I like to use a light color on my eyelid, especially people with smaller lids, because it'll make it look a little bit larger and give more dimension to the eyes. Next, you switch over to the crease brush and we use the macchiato. This is your flat shade. And I like macchiato for beginners or as like a basic color in the set because it doesn't have a lot of depth, so it's very easy to blend. You can see I'm putting it right over on the outer edge of the lid and up into the crease, lighter as I go in, and then higher up towards the arch here, blending it up towards the brow lift. Especially if you have hooding on the eye. This is great because it acts as Spanx for the eyelid, tucking any extra skin back, or at least creating the illusion like you have less extra skin in the crease. For this look, if you wanted to keep it so simple, you don't even have to use eyeliner. I go straight to my lash curler. I think this is so important to have lifted lashes. That way it opens up the eyes more. And I hold it for about 5 seconds. This is our heated eyelash curler, and I cannot live without it because I have eyelashes that grow every which direction except for up. I then follow up with the Infinity Length Mascara. So when you're doing the Infinity Length Mascara with such a natural eye look, I don't like to see 14 coats of mascara. Keep it simple, 1 or 2 coats, no more. So if you're one of those that's not really good at applying eyeshadows, this is the perfect place to start. Or someone who just wants something super simple that you can get on in maybe 2 to 3 minutes, there you go.